U MLA kaseng Kongres na gambagre u Saleng sangma ulabanya bagi MLA Kham tam kibadai nak liang persya kim syamyo ya kapor bapura ban Kren hapo kayeng. Hapa penpau lor gajing penwai no jong ulam pang kayeng dorbar u Thomas A sangma ya dorbar ha kapor kat arbaje shiteng sngi na lor gajing karpat ban aipor Khambun u Saleng ulapentip bala aipor ya ki MLA tang kumba shipho minit ban Kren kabala syukut no tang ha kabala syukran lamprang. Kat kumusang ma ke MLA kidai kinong mi khmat jongi pajba bat kadai ka hok jongki ban pensngo ya kijing jongi pajba hapo kayeng.
Ten minutes for each MLA is very very less. Whereas even you cannot express, it ends up with introduction itself. And then moreover expressing the public grievances within the house, so like even the time is very short. Now private membership bill is very very less, and then moreover they did not extend. So it's very true whatever the others have said, it's very true. We should have given ample time to discuss the grievances, the problems, all the whatever the society requires actually, because we represent public.